Wow, you can easily slide this phone. Lovely phone. And I think I've got to buy this phone. You know why? It's got some lovely features. Not just that, it's slim. Hi, my name is Abel, and I am the author of the book, How to Start a Business Without Money. I talk basically about sales. And today I'm going to be talking to you about the 4 A factor in selling. If you want to actually increase your sales, or you're thinking about getting involved in any kind of business that involves selling, then you must have the A factor involved. Well, when I mention the word a lot of people begin to think about chimpanzee, gorilla, and all of that. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about A.P.E.S. A.P.E.S. And A stands for appearance, P stands for performance, E stands for economy, and S stands for safety. Now let's start with the A. A, appearance. You see, I just showed you a phone now, just less than a year ago. I was so happy with the kind of phone I was using until I got to somewhere and I decided to bring my phone out. It was a Samsung phone. And I decided to bring this phone out so I could make use of some of the features. And behold, just by the side was this very guy who brought his own phone. And I was like, come on, what kind of phone is this? And he said, Johnny. I said, wow, Johnny, it's me. I compared it with my phone. The screen was so large. I said, wow, I'm going to get this phone. What has happened there? It's the appearance of that phone has captivated me and has motivated me to begin to think that I need to buy the phone. Not just that, I went ahead and asked a few questions. A few weeks down the line, I was able to purchase the Johnny phone. I bought this Johnny phone, not minding the cost. And guess what? When I was going to buy it, right at the shop there, I decided to ask a few questions. What's this phone all about? And the guy was like, come on, this phone, as you've seen it, apart from the fact that it's got a good screen, the performance as borders and speed is one thing that no other phone can compare with. Wow, that got me really hooked. So that's the P factor. And I was like, what other thing does it have? And he said, let me show you the camera. This phone has a 16 megapixel right in front, and behind it, I think it has about 13 megapixel. And I was like, wow, I'm definitely going to pick this phone. Now, the challenge became the issue of safety. And I asked, what about issues of probably a virus attack or falling down and screen cracks? And he said, this phone is very solid. You cannot have those experiences. But in any case, we'll advise that you buy the pouch and buy the screensaver as well, so you can have a phone. At the end of the day, I spent over 120,000 before leaving the shop. Now, because of safety, I went ahead to buy a pouch and a screensaver. Because of the appearance of the phone, I was motivated to go and purchase the phone. Because of the economy value, which I've not mentioned, I considered the fact that the quality of pixel can help me prevent the idea of going to buy a new camera, which of course has to do with just recording. And guess what? I purchased that phone. Now the 4 factors has influenced my decision at that point in time. Now I'll tell you a shocking thing. Less than a year, I found this very phone I'm using to record this video. And the guy was like, phone, the front pixel is about 24 pixel and the back is about 20 pixel. Wow. I tested it and I saw that it's got a very lovely camera. And I said, no, I'm going to buy this phone. And immediately I went ahead to buy the phone. Now the sweet part of it is the price of this phone is even cheaper than that of the Johnny. Now what has influenced me? Number 1, the appearance of the phone, which of course on looking at it, it's got a very big screen that I've always loved. The economic value, checking the price, I'm saving more money, paying less. Looking at the safety, the screen, immediately I bought a pouch and bought a screensaver. Safety is there. Not just that, you can steal this phone and I'll be able to track you in less than 30 minutes. These 4 factors are powerful factors that influence the decision of anybody who's going to buy anything from you. So whenever you're making a decision about the kind of products or services you intend to render, always bring the 4-8 factor into consideration before you go ahead to start selling. I hope this will guide you in your next decision of what kind of business you want to start, or the kind of products you want to take over from someone and start selling. And consciously also ask yourself, whenever you want to purchase something, does it have the motivating factors, which of course is the 4-8 factor. I hope this will guide you a long way. In case you want to know more about me, check www.teamabels.com, or on Facebook, it's just Team Abel. You can find me on Instagram and other platforms as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again. Bye.